Hey guys, just another short little tutorial here. What I wanted to go through today was the GitHub Desktop app, which, to be honest, regardless of your level or proficiency using Git, I think it can be a valuable tool. It's great if you just want to jump into a project, quickly change something, commit it and jump back out again. I'm relatively comfortable in the command line and especially comfortable with Git, but I regularly use the GitHub Desktop app because it's just easy. I can see everything in front of me. First things first, then you're obviously going to have to download it. You can head straight to desktop.github.com, which you can see right in front of you here. Very intuitive. It instantly knows that I'm on macOS, so it's going to ask me to download straight for macOS or for Windows. But I've already done that, obviously, so I won't be going to download that. Instead, we'll jump straight into the actual app itself. Now, when you first open the app, it will ask you to log into your GitHub. So do that. Once you've done that, you'll get presented with a screen much like mine right now. However, you won't be instantly sort of selected on a repository like I am. You'd have to come up here to the current repositories. Now, GitHub being as good as it is and as intuitive as it is, it already has a list of my recently used repositories and all my repositories here. But if it didn't have this, you can just click on Add, clone a repository. Now you can either take it straight from here, you'll use this to try and find my snipcart one, as it has, which is pretty good. GitHub Enterprise Server, if you've got that, you can use it, but I don't have that, so I can't demonstrate that. Or you've got URL, so you can just clone any old repository, it doesn't have to be yours, and just start working on it straight away. So that's pretty good. Now, I've selected my Nogi comp one, which is for my project Nogi comps. So I've got that straight open here. And I'm presented with three main options. The first one being open an Atom. So Atom, for those that don't know, is GitHub's own IDE, which they develop themselves. So naturally, that's going to be the option that they give you. Next, you've got Show in Finder, pretty self-explanatory to be honest. And then you've got View it on GitHub. All pretty helpful and intuitive tools to get you anywhere that you want to go with your project. But we're here because we want to actually make changes to our project. So, let's open it in Atom. Logs you straight in. For me, I was previously working on the README, so it's naturally given me that anyway. But let's make some changes. All done. Let's exit that. What you'll now see is the changes that I've made. One changed file being the README file. And what's really good about the desktop app, and to be honest, why I use it mainly over the CLI, is that it instantly gives you a diff without even asking for it. This is something that you'd have to add a flag to in the CLI. I believe it's the -p option, which will then show you everything that you've changed in little chunks or hunks as they call it, and you can accept it as you go along. But the desktop app gives you that opportunity straight away. It lets you see exactly what you've changed. Obviously the green one means that I've added it. I've added this nice little line here. It's already filled in what changes that I've made, because I've only made a change to one file, so it's instantly filled in here that I've updated the README. I can put whatever I want in here, but I'm happy with that. For the description, I'll just added a sentence, because that's what I've done. Commit to master straight away. And there you go. Now it says right here, I can push one commit to the origin remote. It also gives me the option up here, but this blue button's good enough. Let's push to origin. So yeah, that is the GitHub Desktop app. Nothing too exciting, but also very simple and very helpful. Hope you enjoyed, guys. If you want to see more quick little tutorials, then don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. I'll catch you next time.